I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And today we're making an unstuffed egg roll. If you remember our first Minden over a year ago, we did unstuffed cabbage. So this is kind of the same idea where we use a whole bag of shredded cabbage that will be put with chicken tenders that are already cooking up. I love these chicken tenders. I always say they cook up in minutes. And all you're going to do is you're going to fry up your chicken tenders. We're going to put in a whole bag of the cabbage. I chopped 4 scallions right on top. And then I already tested this recipe, so I used half of this jar of the sweet chili sauce, and I'm going to use the other half in this recipe. We're going to cover it up, and it's going to be done literally in a couple minutes. And if you want to see a picture of this, you'll have to go to my Instagram, which is Minden's. You can catch us each week on YouTube for another nutritious, delicious recipe that we can cook together in under 5 minutes. This will be done in a couple minutes, and stay tuned to my Instagram to see a finished picture of this product. Thank you for joining me today for Unstuffed Egg Roll.